In May 1975, exhilarated and exhausted, I drove out of the desert seeking a place of refuge and rejuvenation. For more than 12 years, I was a gypsy, a performing artist. I was open to something new. My destination was Carmel by the sea, a place I only recently learned about. Who knew I was to meet my spiritual guide when I spontaneously decided on Ocean Avenue to get a haircut? I looked up, and gazing down at me stood the barber of Carmel. We made eye contact. During those brief days, he shared his poetry, philosophy, and adventurous tales. I was hooked, and still have all these years possess a notebook of some of his poems. Afterwards, while on a flight to visit my family in Baltimore, I was reading an article about Tai Chi. The description of a moving meditation grasped my imagination. Soon after my Baltimore arrival, I met my next spiritual guide who taught Tai Chi. In his classes, I felt as if I were coming home to myself. I finally found my missing piece and made the connection between mind, body, and spirit. Since 1981, I have taught Tai Chi to many individuals from various walks of life and situations. It took 41 years, but in May 2015, my Bronx-born physicist husband and I moved to the Monterey Peninsula. This time we drove cross-country in 2 cars and had family members waiting to greet us when we arrived. On October 31st, 2016, ironically the 100th anniversary of Carmel by the Sea, we moved to our present Carmel home. At present, I teach Tai Chi in Monterey and have even found creative outlets and ever-unfolding possibilities. I have come home once again. I still think of the barber of Carmel. What a cosmic laugh he would have if he knew.